The encouraging genetic diversity mentioned in the passage serves primarily to A. Remove the need to transport sharks between institutions for mating purposes, B. Foster healthier populations of sharks in aquariums, C. Artificially inseminate sharks, or D. Reduce stress for the animals. Let's begin by locating our key words, encouraging genetic diversity, in the text. We see this in the second paragraph, which tells us that artificial insemination of sharks could foster healthier populations in aquariums by encouraging genetic diversity and by removing the need to transport sharks between institutions for mating purposes. Because the text tells us that encouraging genetic diversity fosters healthier populations in aquariums, which we see reflected in one of our choices, we can mark B, foster healthier populations of sharks in aquariums, as our final answer.